exaggerate what they saw, niggas. We don't follow your laws, nigga. We jumping out of that crab pot. I get the last laugh now. Got beef with a cash cop. My fit way cleaner, spit game meaner with a bitch name Nina like cash out. So hot, make you pass out. Dehydration, y'all violated. They pushing buttons like PlayStation. Play around, get annihilated. This time I ain't fucking out. Got no love, no trust at all. Fucking right, we bucket ball. It's going down like a free fall. Got the shit that they fiend for. Got green, but we need more. Thought I killed it last time, but this time I'ma be sure. This time I'm going ham, I'm holding nothing back. Got the streets going stupid, I just can't relax. Boy, we move this music like a door spot. If you didn't know, then you know now. This time, we ain't fucking all. This time, we going all out. This time, when we fall down, we get back up. Lesson learned. Now does she show this all? Some of my niggas fell off and didn't get back up. But you know we gotta follow protocol. I say you wanna do it, but you keep looking stupid. Being held back by your oldest flaws. Once you find out only you can stop you, it'll have you holding your jaw. So let go and let God split your problems like Moses' rod. And if it ain't even, then go hard. Life ain't easy, so go hard. And if they knock you down, nigga, don't sweat it. Just get stronger till they look petty. You heard the song, that hook heavy. Fucked up once, this time ready. One day at a time, homie, slow it down. Kings fuck up too, but they still hold their crown. My big dog got knocked, he no longer around. Them crackers took all this time, so we ain't fucking round. This time I'm going ham, I'm holding nothing back. Got the streets going stupid, I just can't relax. Boy, we move this music like a door spot. If you didn't know, then you know now. This time, we ain't fucking all. This time, we going all.